Morning, everyone. It's Thursday at about 8:55, and since it's Thursday, it's Claims Day. This is video number 786, your morning pre-open. Okay, so let's get right to the numbers. Asia and Europe were unchanged to mixed. Initial claims, 406,000, that's down 38. And continuing claims, 3,642,000, that's down 96. So those were okay. Excuse me. First look at GDP, 6.4 versus 6.4 expected, neither here nor there. Let's see, durable goods orders, that was a surprise. It was down 1.3% versus an expectation of 1.8. So personal consumption up a bit, 11.3 versus 10.7. The futures before those numbers at 8:30, the S&P was down 4, and the NASDAQ was down about 80, and the Dow was about unchanged. Right now, we have the Dow up 152. We have the NASDAQ down about 40, and we have the S&P back to up $1.50 on the day, so things calmed down there. NVIDIA reported and beat top and bottom. It was trading 634. It traded all the way down to in the 620s. Last is 627. That's only down 2. It's really been all over the place. Tesla says that they are prepaying for chips and expect that they'll catch up in the second half. Snowflake had a beat on revenues, but a larger than expected loss. The stock had traded, closed 235 and a quarter. It traded all the way down to 215, and the last is about 230. Best Buy beat top and bottom, 121 up 4, about 3.5%. And Dollar General beat top and bottom, but it too is slightly lower, 196.84, down 314. Not really a meaningful percentage, but down nonetheless. Most of what's been going on this morning has more to do with this than anything else. This is the bond chart, and as I have pointed out so many times, I'm going to draw a line here for you yet again. Let's see. We have again made a new low, a lower high, rallied up, hit another lower high, and we're now down on the day, down 3/4 of a point. So it wouldn't surprise me in the least. I mean, I've drawn these lines. I don't know where they went, but there's another one here. There's another one there. I mean, this is from here, 1, 2, 3. This is the 4th lower low. I'll show you what this looks like, because the dollar tends to trade pretty much in lockstep with this. And that'll give you a little better look at what I'm talking about these lower highs and such. Blow off top, lower high, break to the downside, into support, slight rally, lower high, break again, rally, lower high, lower high, lower low, and here we are again. I don't think this is going to hold, but we'll have to see. Let's see. Okay, the rest of the futures, oil is down about 48 cents. Nat gas is down 2 after yesterday's run. The gold was up yesterday, down today, 470, 480, nothing overwhelming. Probably getting to be an area where if we get a little bit more downside, we'll be buyers. Same in the silver. Coffee is down 35 cents after being up $5.50 yesterday. So that's a reasonable pullback as far as I'm concerned. The lumber hasn't opened. And Bitcoin is 39.5, and that seems to me also to be just going through a little bit of a consolidation here, trying to make a move back up. Don't want the weekly, want the daily. As you can see, came down hard, hit the 200-day, rallied, little tiny double top here, over 42,000, came down to a lower high and closed on the high, lower low, sorry, closed on the high, and now we've had 3 days of consolidation. These look like really meaningless days, but most of them are $2,000 to $3,000 in range, so not as meaningless as they seem. All right, S&P is now up $5. Dow is now up 151, and the Nasdaq is still down about 30. Have a good morning. Oh, forgot almost the most important thing. Tellurian, TELL, our favorite little stock, nat gas play. They got their first agreement in Singapore for nat gas to be purchased and delivered by them. The stock is trading at 403, up 86 cents. This one has just been terrific lately. We added to the position at $1.62, and I have really no intention of selling it up here. All right. Have a good day. I'll be back later.